3 years, 3 years there will be a loss situation. Will be there will be a what to say. Every startup will struggle in first 3 years of their establishment. So for continuously growing the startup, we need external support. So that external support, we call them as fundraising. Fundraising. For fundraising, we need to prepare a proper what is it called professional investor pitch deck. What this mean? Just a professional type PPT. It is showing everything regarding company solution, everything. So here, we are going to discuss this topic fundraising and also investor pitch by studying the example of BioDockify. So what is the problem here? The first thing in investor pitch preparation is we need to describe what is the problem. Okay, what every business will do? Every business will solve any problem. For example, Flipkart is there. What is Flipkart is doing? It is delivering the goods directly to the home. Okay? So wherever it is filling the gap between consumer and producer. So producer will be somewhere else. Okay, for example, in North India, Noida producer is there. Customer is there in Hyderabad. So the gap is filling by Flipkart. So like that, we need to describe first of all what is the problem. So what is the problem? Where this startup or company is going to fulfill or do the things. So what is the problem here? It's just having a multiple platforms. Multiple platforms are there. So nowadays we are having a multiple platforms for doing like literature review, deep research, this QSR modeling, visualization, data analysis. For doing all these things, we are having a multiple tools. And these multiple tools are different people are doing different, giving different tools. We need to go to their websites. We need to log in. We need to use them. After some time, what they are doing is they are asking money. They are forcing continuously the individual to take the subscriptions. So that is the problem here in the market. So that is the problem. So to address this problem, this BioDockify solutions are introduced. What is this solution? First of all, it is AI powered. Okay. So why it is relevant? See, nowadays we are having the AI era. Number of AIs are coming every day. So why it is relevant means after 10 years also. After 10 years also. For example, now Germany 4.1 is going on. Okay, they released. And Claude is released Focus 4.8. After 10 years, there will be some other model also. That model also we can use here. Okay, so this is relevant solution. It is applicable after 10 years also. So what I am doing here? So whatever the multiple tools are there, it is available free and open source. Every tool I bought at one platform. For example, Autodoc Vina is there. That is free tool. We can use free. Okay, but what is the problem there? We need to give our protein and ligand through command prompt. That is the problem here. So this for that student need to learn command prompt. But pharmacy students don't have a knowledge to use command prompt, writing the code, everything they don't have. So to fix this problem, so what I have did is, so different types of open sources like Autodoc Vina is open. Okay, there is a number of GitHubs for visualization. BioDoc is open to use everyone. So like that for document research, there in the GitHub there are number of repositories are there for deep research. But deep research repositories are incorporated in the software. Next end-to-end workflow. End-to-end workflow is right from idea. For example, student want to write a review article, a faculty want to write a grant application. Right from idea. So by giving idea to the AI will generate its title. Depending upon rough idea, we will generate a title and give number of titles. So we can take the title, then again we can after finalization of title, then immediately we can go for literature. Okay, like that, right from the idea till the publication out. Everything So this is solution which is given by BioDockify. So here number of tools are there, number of tools are freely available. Okay, all tools I kept at one place by using Python programming language. So behind all this tool, so tool 1 connected to tool 2 like this, like 16 modules connected together here in this software to form one software. All are free and available. Nothing is created new. All are being just in industry for a long period of time. But what I did, I joined all together, kept at one place by using Python programming language. So this is my solution to the problem. Next, how AI help to validate BioDockify idea. So like that, for example, idea. So to get an idea, we need to give a prompt. Prompt means input to the AI. So here, see, ask like, what is the first thing? I asked to AI, ask like pharmaceutical research startup advisor. Then I give them a rough idea. Then after the rough idea, it has collected the information sources from the internet. Then I all gathered at one place. I checked the compatibility studies. So whether this software is compatible to this part of this software or not, like that, I then compared this comparative study. All checked at one place, like challenges in pharma research. What is the challenge? What is the challenge here is what is when you do the research in a topic. So what's the problem? If you use Gemini, Claude, they will just give you the superficial thing, only fake, like small answer they are giving, but we don't need a small answer. What we need, complete article we need. For example, we are doing research on Alzheimer's. So what we need in the literature review, we need a complete, freely available, complete research article, 15 pages research article we need, completely. If it is available freely on the website RD PubMed, this software will download it, all 15 pages at once. Like that, software AI will go to the different like platforms. For example, PubMed is there, Google search is there, okay, Web of Science 2+, okay, number of 10 databases are added here. One by one it will go to all. For example, you want title Alzheimer's. So what are the advanced diagnosis method used in Alzheimer's? This is my topic. When I give a topic, it will go to the PubMed first. So for example, you find 100 research articles in PubMed. It will download all the 100 at once. Okay? Then it will go to Google Scholar. It will bring all the material available at Google Scholar. Like that, it will go into the 10 different places and downloading the 10 field available material at one place. So doing this manually will take months. But software will do in minutes. What we do was, they are freely available, all sources. AI, we are giving power of AI. Agent is there that will go do the search, bring back all the material. So this software here, long development cycles we can do. We can gather data. So this is a research challenge. So what is the challenge here? By using free softwares, we can't able to download, we can't able to gather that much amount of data with AI. Getting it? So what the AI can do? AI can read any article, give the answer regarding that article, but it can't able to download the complete paper. What we need for the research article? We need complete paper. For example, my topic is having 100 papers. For writing review article, I need complete 100 papers, full download. So this software can bring 100 papers at once. We can download all the 100 papers at once in our file. So free software. So we are having article so whatever the open science open available is there, that we can able to download. So next, AI is a market research and competitive analysis. So before, if you have any startup idea, for example, we are going back to our startups. If you have any startup idea, for having to validate the idea, first of all, we need to do the market research. In market, which tools are available? So we are looking at case study, BioDockify. So here, market research, the tool is dealing with drug discovery. Okay, drug discovery, it's a cloud-based research. So all these are, so first of all, if I want to do the market research for BioDockify, what I need to do? how many free providers are there already in market. Okay, if I want to launch my free software in the market, I need to know the market first. What is there in market? Which softwares are giving paid? Which softwares are giving like 1 month trial? And these softwares are completely free to use. When you don't have a free product, then I can launch my free product in the market. Okay? Free product in the market. So here, competitors, what is this Discovery Studio or these all are the competitors in the market. So what these competitors are doing? They are charging fees, like thousands of dollars. They are charging for the subscription. If I can able to give all these features in a free software, then software will be useful for all the students and all the faculty. These are the competitors. This is the position of a software now. So it is first of all using AI, affordable access. Why it is affordable? Because it's a free software and how you can use. Academic friendly. Whatever is needed for faculty or student, that only is paid here. Nothing else. Integrated workflow. Integrated workflow means what is the workflow for faculty or student? First, research idea, then developing a hypothesis, then doing the literature review, then gathering all the material, doing the experiment. After doing experiment, if you do the experiment outside also, this software can take the file in and it will continue from there. So design and investment ready model. So here, designing and investment. So here we are trying to understand the startup. So here, customer segment. If you want to launch a software or a startup, then for launching a company or a startup, first of all we need to know who is my customer. Okay, who is my customer? So here customers are students, academic researchers, or colleges. These are the students. So we have clarity on customer segment, revenue segment. Who is revenue segment? If I starting the company today, can I give my product free to all? If I give free to all, then what happens here? Company won't run. It will go in loss and close. So you should have free trial, paid subscription, distribution, like different parameters it need to be had. Like some people using it free, some people using it paid. So free people are having limited access, premium is having like more subscription access, like the revenue stream division is needed. Next, value proposition. So what is a value proposition of your product? For example, we are starting a company. Okay, when will it click? Click means user will accept it. When the user will accept it, when you have a proper value proposition, means useful product available for free. Then what happens? Everybody will take your product, download your product, use your product. Okay. When the user will take valuable thing when you give in the free, then only your product will have some value. That is value propositions. Channels. Through which channels you are distributing your software or your product, that we need to decide. Okay. Next, architecture.